Hello. Welcome to lesson number 8 of our Speak Easy course. In our previous lessons, we talked about the sounds we have in English and saw that they can be different from the sounds you have in your mother language. Do you remember? Good. In this lesson, we will try to check which sounds in the English language can be difficult for you, then you can practice the ones you need to make it easier. So, we are going to take a little test. It is called the phonology diagnostic test. Diagnostic test means it is not a pass or fail type of test. It is just to find out which sounds can be difficult for you. When you find out the sounds that can be difficult, you can do some exercises to train your ear, and then these sounds will not be difficult anymore. Before we start, click the link in the description of this video to download File 1, the test sheet. This page has a table where you will write your answers. You can print the page or just write down the numbers on a piece of paper. No need to draw a table. For the test to work well, you need to take it only one time, without stopping, repeating, or taking breaks. So, download the test file, prepare the test material, and begin when you are ready. That's how it works. You will hear a number of words, always in groups of 2, which we call pairs. Each pair corresponds to one of the numbers in the test sheet. You will hear the number. For example, 1A. Then you will hear the 2 words, for example, further, farther. You don't need to understand the words, so it doesn't matter if you don't know what they mean. Your job is just to mark if you heard the same word 2 times or you heard 2 different words. You will tick the S column on the test sheet if you hear the same word. Or just write S on your paper if you don't have the test sheet. You will tick the D column on the test sheet if you hear 2 different words. Or just write D on your paper if you don't have the test sheet. If you are not sure if you heard the same word or 2 different words, tick the question mark column on the test sheet, or just leave it blank, or write a question mark on your paper. In the case of our example, the words were different, further and farther. Then we would tick the column D. Remember that this is not a listening test. In real life, the context is very important for us to understand the words and also knowing the words. There are some important things to know about this test. First, some of the sounds you will hear are very similar, so it can be hard to hear the difference when you hear just the 2 words. But that doesn't mean you wouldn't be able to do it if you heard the words in context. Second, and that is why you don't need to know the words, different words can have exactly the same sound, like we saw in other lessons of our course, for example, way and way. So just relax, listen to the sounds without worrying about the meaning of the words, and just concentrate in trying to perceive if you hear the same word 2 times or 2 different words. When you finish taking the test, click the link on the description of the video to download File 2. The page has the answer key for you to check your answers and a list of the sounds related to each test item. All you need to do then is mark the sounds corresponding to the items you got wrong or were not sure, so you can practice the sounds. Now pause the video, prepare your test material, and begin when you are ready.
Diagnostic test. 1A. Eel. Eel. 1B. Ship. Chip. 2A. 6. 6. 2B. Fat. Hat. 2C. Feel. Peel. 3A. tin, tan. 3b, back, bag. 4a, said, sad. 4b, choke, joke. 5a, cart, cat. 5b, much, march. 5c, tin, tin. 6a, best, vest. 6b, few, view. 7a, backs, box. 7b, wing, wink. 7c, sin, thin. 8a, sport, spot. 8b, cap, cap. 9a, put, pot. 9b, key, key. 10a, pull, pole. 10b, grass, glass. 11a, cup, cap. 11b, heel, eel. 12a, comb, cone. 12b, cow, cow. 13a, big, bigger. 13b, closing, clothing. 14a, girl, gal. 14b, walk, work. 14c, bed, bird. 14d, drain, train. 15a, pen, pain. 15b, peace, peace. 16a, boat, bought. 16b, fern, phone. 16c, jack, yak. 17a, loaf, life. 17b, wheel, wheel. 18a, beard, bead. 18b, bin, bin. 19a, ear, year. 19b, sun, sun. 20a, buzz, bus. 21a, push, puss. 22a, all, oil. 22b, road, load. 23a, mouse, mouth. 23b, free, 3. 24a, pleasure, pleasure.